We have officially approved around 160 different religious congregations in Denmark. But I would like to mention that the Ahmadi community is special in the way that the members of this community are very well integrated in society. For the last 50 years, with your presence in Denmark, we have enjoyed a history of peaceful and harmonic coexistence. I'm happy to note that your congregation and you yourself, Your Holiness, is a true and genuine representative of a faith with open arms and with love to all and hate to none.